We're gonna be making popovers. Spongy treat. Then Brenda the pan on a play date with Karen for 450 degrees. Next we're gonna grab some eggs. Make sure they're room temperature. Thanks, Tukes. If you don't have a bird to bring them down to room temperature, just juggle until they get room temperature. Next you wanna go ahead and crack your eggs and then beat them up. Hammer works best for this. Next you wanna add 1.5 cups of milk. Add in a pinch of salt. I'm gonna grab some butter. Go ahead and melt a tablespoon of butter. Your butter. And lastly, 1.5 cups of flour. Careful not to overmix. If you do, just stir in the other direction and it'll undo what you did. This is the texture you're looking for. After 10 minutes, go ahead and grab Brenda from Karen. It's time for her to come home. Now we're gonna take our butter in the hot pan and just sizzle it on there. After our butter is nice and sharp, let's go ahead and fill these up. Fill them up about 3/4 full. Next, we're gonna give it back to Karen at 450 degrees and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn it down to 325. Cook for another 20 minutes. Say hi to Mike the cat. Hey, Mike. Okay, munchkins, time to come home. Nice. It's looking fresh. Now you can see why they're called popovers. They literally pop over. Best way to serve this is with some butter and some flake salt. Take our popover and open it up. We're gonna take the end and get it in some butter right here. Then take some flake salt and go right over the top. Oh. That'd be so good if it wasn't burning the mess out of my mouth.